Hi everyone, my name is Cheyenne and I'm going to be doing a science experiment with you today. For my science experiment, my topic is liquids and solids. This is going to be for grade 2 and my outcome is LS 2.1, investigate properties, color, taste, smell, shape, textures, and familiar liquids and solids. My indicators are F, record and compare, observe physical properties, color, taste, smell, shape, texture, transparency, and ability to adapt to shape containers, familiar liquids and solids. G, distinguish between properties and familiar liquids and solids. And K, predict and test changes in characteristics, shape, color, volume of liquids when they are changed into solids or gases. So, today we're going to be making bath bombs. A lot of you probably know what bath bombs are and have used them before, so I decided it would be a fun experiment. I think it'll be really easy for this age group. So to start off, you're going to need some pretty easy to find ingredients. Lots of them can just be found in your household. I did have to go out and buy a few. So we're going to start off with baking powder. So this is a solid that you're going to put in to the bowl. So we have our baking powder. So that's one of our solids. And then we're going to do half a cup of Epsom salts. So you're going to put that in there. Okay. So half the cup in there. So those are all our solids still. You're supposed to use citric acid to make the reaction occur, but I didn't have any citric acid, so we are going to be using lemon juice as a substitute. So we're going to take that, and we're going to see that when we put the lemon juice into our solids, our salts and baking powder, that it already starts to make our reaction and makes it start to bubble, which is okay. And we're going to do 4 of these. Okay, so as you can see, it's already starting to bubble in there. And then we are going to mix it. So as you mix this, it starts to get a pasty-like substance. And you're going to mix, and then you're going to slowly add in your liquids, your other liquids, I guess. So we have 1 tablespoon of water. And you're going to add 3 teaspoons of oil. So once those are added together, you add those to our solid, and you're going to mix that up even more. So as you can see, the liquids and solid substance mixing together is creating a whole new substance of its own. So you're mixing, and it turns into a pasty-like substance, and it's sticky and gooey. So once we do that, we're going to take pieces, and you can just smush them together and see how the characteristics change from the beginning, the first solid substance with the liquids, and see how it can form together to make a ball. So we can look at the characteristics and property changes when looking at 3 different types of substances. So here we have a bath bomb. So now that those are made, I did make some prior. So we're going to see here we have the bath bombs. And then we're going to grab water to put them in. Okay, sorry. Now that we have the water, as you can see, you're going to place the bath bomb in the water, and you can see another reaction occurring in the water. So this reaction, we can see how liquids and solids mixed together can create another solid, but also a solid that can turn into a gas reaction. So we have a bubbly reaction occurring in our water from our acids and powders that we mix together. And you can see that when you lift it out, it still bubbles with that liquid in there. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my experiment.